How to use Flipkart Pay Later. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Flipkart Pay Later. To use the Flipkart Pay Later, you must first activate the service through the Flipkart app by providing a PAN Aadhaar card and then a bank details as well. So once activated, you would select Pay Later as your payment method during a checkout for eligible items. So basically, you want to open the Flipkart app on your device, and then you have to set it up or activate this. So open the Flipkart app and then go to the account section. Then you have to go and look for these pay later section, and then just go and tap the view details options. When you've actually done it, tap on apply now, enter in your PAN details and tap on activate now. On the next field, you will be asked to enter in your Aadhaar card number and then verify it with an OTP sent to your linked mobile number. Provide your bank details or UPI ID for payment or repayment as well, and wait for the system to check your credit scores. You will be assigned to a credit limit base. So this way you'll be able to use Flipkart Pay Later. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.